All right, so again, in this one, notice that the derivative of x to the fourth plus 4x, right, the derivative, so x to the fourth plus 4x prime, the derivative, let's see, that's going to be 4x cubed plus 4. This is exactly that right there. Right, so that tells me what I want to make u into. So we set u equal x to the fourth plus 4x. Then du is 4x cubed plus 4 dx. And it's customary for I think most people that teach substitution, they teach it in a way where you solve for dx. Dx is equal to du over 4x cubed plus 4. All right. So now this integral is now equal to the integral 4x cubed plus 4 times cosine of u du over this 4x cubed plus 4. And you can see that those cancel there. And then we get the integral of cosine u du. All right, now this canceling way of doing it with the canceling is perfectly fine to do that, but it doesn't really show you exactly what's going on. All right, so I'll finish the problem in just a second here, but let's look at this now. Okay, so 4x, so we could write this as cosine x to the fourth plus 4x times 4x cubed plus 4 dx. Now see, look at this right here, right? This right here is exactly that right there, right? So this is really just du. And we have a u here. So you can see that the canceling helps people to get the right answer. But what's really going on is that du often is sitting in there. And it may not be sitting in there exactly. Might not be sitting there up to a constant. But oftentimes it's right there. All right. If you don't understand what I just did, no big deal. It's not the end of the world. Won't really make any difference. You can just continue with the way that I'm doing it here with the canceling. Everybody likes to cancel. All right, so we get cosine u du. Let's see, antiderivative of cosine. Let's see. It's either going to be sine or negative sine, right? Let's see. Now, let's say, so sine u plus c. Let's see, now, so you can check your work now. So derivative of sine is cosine. Okay, so we know we did that right. Okay, so all I'm saying here is I never remember if it's positive or negative. And so when I do it in my mind, I think, okay, I go down here, I write down the plus or minus, and I say to myself, okay, so let's see, if it was the minus, derivative sine is cosine, so that would be a negative cosine here, so that's obviously not the right one. So it's going to have to be positive. All right, sine u plus c, now we have sine of whatever we made u. That's x to the fourth plus 4x plus c.